most common snack that we normally have during tea or coffee is biscuits and cookies. Today's recipe is a lovely buttery butter biscuits or cookies that we call. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the butter cookies, I've taken 100 grams of unsalted butter. So as you can see, the butter is very soft. Make sure it's at room temperature before you start whisking it. So I'm going to beat the butter so that it becomes nice, light and creamy. Next, I'm going to add 50 grams of granulated sugar. So this is roughly about quarter cup. Beat the butter and sugar together for about 2 minutes on medium speed. To this, I'm going to add 150 grams of Maida or all-purpose flour. Next, add half teaspoon of baking powder, quarter teaspoon baking soda. So now beat the flour and the butter mixture together. So initially, if you see, when you're mixing the flour and the butter, it becomes very crumbly. But later, as you keep mixing it, it all combines together. So you can see the flour and the butter is all well combined and it's formed a nice soft dough consistency. Take a little bit of the cookie dough, just roll it into even sized balls. Place the divided cookie dough balls onto the baking tray. This has been lined with butter paper. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees for about 10 minutes. So just grease the fork with a little butter. So gently press the cookie dough ball with the fork. Bake the cookies at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. So you can see the butter cookies look absolutely fantastic. They've got a lovely golden color to it. Don't leave the cookies in the oven for too long because they can become too brown. Cool the cookies completely till they are at room temperature. There you go, here are these delicious buttery butter cookies that you can enjoy with some tea or coffee by the side. It also makes for a great snack. I'm sure your kids will love this for their snack time. And you can store it in an airtight container and store it for a couple of days, about 2 to 3 days. So do try and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frames.